Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Where today in this video, my little brother is walking my dog. My Kobe, no, don't yank. Come on, let's go to the mailbox.
Yeah.
Come on. Careful, don't fall.
Oh.
Kobe, I think she has to go potty. Stay.
Oh. Okay. Doggy, we're going to have to go potty.
Okay, she's done. You could go walk now. Come on.
I'm not going back.
He's only 2 if you won't believe that. 3 feet, 2 years old.
I'm not going back.
Not gonna walk, what?
Oh, that chair, I mean. The box, I mean.
That box, that's called a trash can.
I doggy. Come here.
Come on.
I mean, I'm coming. I'm coming too.
You coming, Sue?
Don't come back. Not going to the tree.
Oh, she has to go potty again, Kobe.
Okay. Doggy.
Okay, she's done. Come on.
Okay. The car, we're going down the car.
Car?
One trap.
Come on.
One trap. One trap. One trap. One trap. The car.
Oh, careful. Don't fall.
Doggy, you know the cycle.
You're walking the dog pretty good.
One trap. One trap. One trap. Oh, I really want to go across.
Okay, come on. Let's turn around. Let's go back home. Kobe. Come on. So if you did like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to join Team Diamond for more videos. And if you like these videos, make sure to tell your friend, and maybe like the video or maybe watch the video, cause I haven't had that many views. Kobe, careful, you're going too fast for her. So yeah, I really would appreciate that, cause I haven't been having views lately, and I haven't had that many videos being watched at the current moment. So yeah, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to join Team Diamonds for more videos. And I'll see you all later. Bye! You okay? Okay, good.